Guys, welcome back to Crypto Bambino channel once again. So today we have a special exchange project, Exolo, as you can see here. It's trusted and it's really based on trust, as you can see here. On Trustpilot, it's rated almost 5 stars. So guys, for those who are new, when you first open the website, as you can see here, you're gonna see this interface here. You can sign up just right here. Here you fill your email, you choose a password, and here you fill invitation code if you have one, and then you click on sign up. Pull this to the right side, as you can see here, to verify. It's very simple, guys, and here you're gonna receive a verification code on your email. You're just gonna check it. So guys, we successfully created an account, and it's really a very popular platform where you can trade different cryptocurrencies, because the website, as you can see here, Exolo, is designed to empower traders and investors with seamless access to a diverse range of cryptocurrencies and tokenized assets. As you can see here, whatever you're a seasoned trader seeking advanced tools or a newcomer looking to explore the exciting world of crypto, Exolo offers you the perfect ecosystem for your financial journey. You can join them and experience a kind of new era in digital asset trading, as you can see here, and where possibilities are endless and success is just a click away. But before this, you're gonna have to make a deposit, and the biggest opportunity and the most interesting thing that you can have up to 50 USDT that can help you start your first trade, and this is a 1% of your deposit bonus. It can help you a lot for those who can make big or medium deposits. So first of all, you need to create your account. It's very simple, guys. You're just gonna need your email. Obviously, you're gonna need some funds to start your trading. And guess what? If you click on the link on the description, you're gonna have a bonus of $20 that can help you a lot to start your trading. You don't need to put your money. You can benefit from that $20 just for signing up and start that experience. And also, guys, there is a task center, and also, guys, you have the biggest reward, 1000 USDT. It's cash rewards, easy to get. You just have some easy daily task and beginner's task. And here, as you can see here, the daily future trading volume, more than 500 USDT. All you need to do, guys, is to complete the daily spot trading volume of 200 USDT, as you can see here, by clicking on the bar here. They're gonna help you because they actually have as you can see here, a bot, as you can see here, the support that can help you. And look here, you can see that you have the most developed tools to start your trading. They'll help you, as you can see here, the chart and all the tools that you might need. You have here a bunch of tasks and offers that you can benefit from you can get the 1000 USDT or more. And here, guys, you have futures bonus, and are the easiest to get. This is just $10. It's easy. You can get it just by following the steps here. What you need after completing the task, the user that you can be one, you can be that user, you can get the bonus, and the bonus can be used to trade the contract and cannot be withdrawn. The profile generated by using the bonus transactions can be withdrawn. 2, you can receive that bonus for future deposit and trading activities. To manually collect them on the activity page. After collecting the task, after receiving your bonus, it will be distributed to the future account, which can be viewed in the future account. So as you can see here, you just follow their steps to trade to blind. It's a bunch of continue and blind. Here you fill your number, here the code, the verification code, and it's gonna work for you, and you're gonna get that bonus. It can help you to start your first trade. So here, guys, we find, let's get into it. Here we find the spot, as you can see, guys. Here, guys, you find your different cryptocurrencies that you're able to trade. And here you can buy them with USDT or BT or Ethereum or USDC, as you can see here. For example, we're gonna choose IMX because this is the most profitable right now, as you can see here. Or let's try Cyber. I think it's way more profitable. Here's the result. Here's the progress within the last few minutes. It potentially can go up. You can have find here the buying price, $5 USDT, as you can see here. The equivalent in here, the amount that you're gonna have. For example, if you put 50 USDT, it's way more affordable. You're gonna get the amount of 11 cybers, and here you can pay. You're gonna need to have a balance, as you can see here. So guys, let's see how we can have that balance to be able to buy this cryptocurrency that can potentially go up, and we can make that money. Let's see how. So guys, here as you can see, your balance is 0 BTC, the same as here. How to have that balance? We're gonna need to go here, click on this bar, balance spot account. Then you're gonna see this interface here, deposit crypto. You click on deposit. So here, you copy the address, you initiate a withdrawal, then you choose the network confirmation, then your deposit will be successful, done. So guys, here you choose the one that you usually use, for example BAP20. Here you copy this address, then you can send money to it by using, for example, your Binance account. Then you're gonna have a balance to start trading here on this future spot, as we've seen before. It's very simple. Once you have balance and you find a good deal here, you're gonna be able to start buying those tokens or selling them when you feel like you're making a profit. So here guys, futures, let's see how it operates. So here you have the futures risk confirmations. You click on understand. Here you can open and close the order. Here you pick the price, and here the size, and here, for example, 50%. Here advanced option, and here you can open long or open short. I recommend you to open a short one here, as you can see. And for those who doesn't know what's an order, it's actually and also guys, here we find in the mocha trading, this part here, that's very simple. Like if you are a beginner, it's very simple. As I said at the beginning, everyone can use this platform. You don't need to have a big knowledge to start opening an order or buying cryptocurrencies to make that profit. All you need to do is having an account, making a deposit successfully, and finding the best offer, and then start opening your order. And for those who doesn't know what's an order, it's actually to buy or sell a stock at the market's current best available price. And a market order typically ensures an execution, but it doesn't guarantee a specific price. As you can see here, all the prices in here, the price that you can open your order with. And also guys, let's see other stuff on the platform. As you can see here, you can download it here. Here you can see that the platform is available for many languages. And here, if you are a beginner, here's a guide. It's very simple guys. All you need to do is sign up, verify, trade, and unlock your financial potential and make that money, guys. And as you can see here, you can download it on your smartphone. And here, guys, you can see what the media is saying about them and about their project, and you can see what they achieved, and you can find some articles about them and something special about them. And also, guys, you can find them on Twitter. They have a big Twitter account. They have more than 11k followers, and they're verified. They're posting every day to make you stay in touch. For example, this offer here, how to win up to 50 USDT, and more informations to make you stay in touch. And also, guys, you can find them on Telegram to ask some of their admins to help you out if you're finding some difficulties. So this is all, guys. Thank you for joining me on this exciting crypto journey, a real crypto journey. And be careful, stay safe, and see you on the on another video.